Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Not again. Yeah, I learned the game from William Weston. You can never check me. Back to back for the that didn't get the message. Back to back like I'm on the cover of Lethal Weapon. Back to back like I'm Jordan 96, 97. Oh, very important and very pretentious. When I look back, I might be mad that I gave this attention. Yeah, but it's weighing heavy on my conscience. Yeah, if you left the boy no options, I wanna see my go insane. You gon' make me step out of my frame. You gon' make me buy bottles of Charlemagne. You gon' make me go out of my way. I waited 4 days, where y'all at? I drove here in a rave playing AR-AB. I'm not sure what it was that really made y'all mad, but I guess this is what I gotta do to make y'all rap. I mean, oh, can't fool the city, man, they know what's up. Second floor, Tootsie's getting shoulder rubs. This for y'all to think that I don't write enough. They just mad cause I got the Midas touch. You love her, then you gotta get a world tour. Is that a world tour or your girl's tour? I know that you gotta be a thug for her. This ain't what she meant when she told you to open up more. Yeah, trigger fingers turn to Twitter fingers. Yeah, getting body by singing. I'm not the type of that'll type of. And shout to all my boss, wife. Make sure you hit him with the bring up. Yeah, tell that man to ease up. I did another one, I did another one. You still ain't did about the other one. Got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, going back to back. Got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, I'm going back to back. I don't wanna hear about the seller again. Not even when she tell them that they better as friends. Not even when you're saying Drizzy, tell them again. I've been putting on the show, it was a sellout event. Oh, do me better see it. I didn't want to do it, gave me every reason. The point I'm trying to make is I don't ever need it. See what you do for fame or what you do for freedom, please. Check them for a while or an earpiece, please. Please do not let these people nail me, please. Think before you come for the great one, please. Who's a real and who ain't one, please. Somebody stop me. I'm talking Ballsy and Guanawasi. I got the fest in 5 days and it's mine. Soon as it hit the stage, they gon' ask if I can play this back to back. Yeah, they want it back to back. They gon' ask if I can play this back to back. I took a break from views, that's back to that.
Let's go, Julius, he's on! Let's go! Hey, kick off! Kick off! Keep going, Trent! There you go, let's go! Let's go, kid! Let's go, kid! Let's go, Bryce! Go, kid! Get the ball! Good hustle, Bryce! Good hustle, baby! That's a hell of a kick, Julius. As soon as they open, Dominic. As soon as they open. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hey, come on. Julius. Right. Switch to Julius. Hey, good. Anthony. Anthony, that took too long. Get up there. Huh? Let's go! Hey, Yes, let's go!
Fumble!
Let's go! Hey, you gotta be sliding over on that. Let's go, get ready! There it is! Watch the handoff! Count it, see? That's fine. Taddy's not even on the line. Taddy's not on the line. There it is.
Up, downhill.
There it is. Yeah. Let's go. That boy's easy.
Yeah. Way to go, defense.
Tillman, come on.
Tillman's coming out. Tillman, come on. Right there.
Watch him come up the middle. Watch him come up the middle. Watch him. That's it. Pick off. That's it. What was it, Brad? Yeah, put it right there. Let's go deep. No rest. Hey, watch tight end.
End of the first quarter.
Hey, turn back. Watch them. They're going left, Dominic. They're going at you. Right there. There you go. Still got 10 to go.
Hey, right. Hey, they lining up quick. Let's go.
Anthony, get ready to shift. Shift over a little bit. Get ready to slide left.
Right there, up. Right there. There you go.
He's short. He's on the line. He's 1 yard short.
Round the palm.
Come on, offense.
Tyree no 14 holds you.
Come on, wider. Come wider.
Got it.
Come on, offense. Let's go.
Hey, they tight. They scared. They got hit him in the mouth.
Anthony, do what you do. Anthony.
Hey, get on the ball.
5.
Nobody stop. Go get him, Shim.
Go help block.
Let's go, get in there. Back up.
Hey, I told him to get in. Don't let him go. Come on, keep going. Keep going.
Hey, Shim. Charlie, get in there. Charlie. Behind you, get ready, Clark.
Number 4 on the center. Calling the shot. Number 9 drops back, handing off up the middle.
Good job, defense. Fall back, defense. There you go. There you go.
What kind of coach?
Hurricanes is ready about the 8-yard line. Robo hands it off.
Blocking the back.
Stop out. That's four. That's tight ball. Get down here. Hey, get out there, go! Hurry up! Everybody else get lined up!
Lord have mercy, the damn center.
There you go, get your room. There you go. Back, David. Mark goes, number one, what?
Done for the night.
There you go.
What's hurting? Stop doing that. That's scary.
Step up. They only got to get 4 yards. Step up. Middle.
Off the field.
Dominant.